Hey guys, I got a few requests to show me solving one of my Rubik's cubes, so here it is. Right now I'm actually just mixing it using a random sequence of moves from a website called cubetimer.com, I think it is. I'll leave it linked below. And we'll get into the solving just in a second. For any of you guys that are into this kind of stuff, I'm actually using a Fangxi Shuang Ren V2 cube here. Which is currently my main cube, I guess. I don't really like the stickers on it, but yeah, I'll probably be changing that. And for my solving method, I think it's called, I'm using CFOP, and just a simple CFOP with 2-look OLL and 2-look PLL, so I haven't really learned all the algorithms yet. And this is by no means my best time, but it's the best I could get on camera with a few tries. So anyway, without any further ado, let's watch me solve it. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little short video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and check out the videos on the left and right, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.